This video presentation is intended solely for use between licensed agents and prospective clients. This video provides a summary of the features of the Secure Solutions Single Premium Whole Life Insurance product and is to be used in addition to Form Number 8009 Secure Solutions Consumer Brochure and Form 8038 Secure Solutions Disclosure Form, rather than as a substitute. This product is not available in all states and is subject to approval and suitability. Since 1882, the Baltimore Life Insurance Company has been providing reliable and competitive life insurance coverage to 7 generations of policy owners. Baltimore Life offers a broad portfolio of life insurance products: whole life insurance, term life insurance, final expense insurance, and annuities, designed for the various stages of life. Whether you are a newlywed, new parent, or you're nearing retirement, we are certain that you'll find an insurance product that has been tailored to meet your needs. Let's take a look at a traditional life insurance product. This particular product is known as Secure Solutions Single Premium Whole Life Insurance. Let's take a look at the features and benefits. By simply reallocating a portion of your invested assets to a Secure Solutions policy issued by Baltimore Life, you can immediately increase your estate. You can provide your beneficiaries an inheritance that's free from federal income tax, and you can pass that money directly to your beneficiaries, avoiding probate with a properly named beneficiary. You also have the ability to see a guaranteed lifetime death benefit that lasts as long as you do, as well as the ability to access your guaranteed cash values for financial emergencies, and even receive your death benefit while living in the event of a catastrophic illness, such as a terminal illness, a nursing home confinement, or even a home health care situation. Additional liquidity features ensure that your cash value will accumulate income tax deferred year after year. A portion of your accumulated values can also be accessed anytime after the policy has been enforced for 1 year through a partial surrender or a policy loan. The Secure Solutions Whole Life Insurance product is packed with features that make it desirable for people that want to transfer portions of their liquid assets to their children, grandchildren, their place of worship, a favorite charity, or their alma mater. As you can see, the benefits of the Secure Solutions Single Premium Whole Life Insurance goes well beyond the immediate increase to your estate by creating a tax-free death benefit for your heirs. One should note, to avoid probate, the beneficiary designation must be properly structured. Also, the accelerated death benefit rider is not available in every state. The specified percentages and administrative charge also may vary by state. The Secure Solutions Single Premium Whole Life Insurance can immediately increase your estate. Let's take a look at this chart and see how even transferring a portion of your liquid assets to a whole life insurance policy can immediately increase your estate and provide a brand new tax-free death benefit to your heirs. In the following example, we will assume that Jane is a 65-year-old female, non-tobacco user that meets health qualifications to be underwritten at level 1. Jane, our 65-year-old female non-tobacco user, has $50,000 in a certificate of deposit, or CD, earning a 4% interest rate and being taxed at a combined rate of 25%. Jane intends to pass this money as a gift to her grandchildren upon her death. By simply using the $50,000 to pay premium for a single premium whole life insurance policy, she could purchase a $98,814 income tax-free death benefit, naming her grandchildren as her beneficiaries. In this example, Jane has immediately increased her estate by $48,814. It would take her CD 24 years to grow to this amount, and Jane could pay taxes each year on the interest earned on that CD. Let's take a look at these numbers. In this example, if Jane decides to leave her money in a CD, there will be $50,000 immediately available to be passed to her grandchildren, $50,000 immediately available if Jane has an emergency, like a nursing home, and potentially $500 in tax liability each year, assuming a 4% interest rate and a combined tax rate of 25%. If Jane repositions or reallocates a portion of her savings, the $50,000 from her CD, into a Secure Solutions single premium whole life insurance, $98,814 will be immediately available to be passed to her grandchildren. Up to $88,932 may be available if Jane has an emergency like a nursing home, and she will incur zero tax liability each year unless she makes a withdrawal. Essentially, Jane will increase the benefit passed to her grandchildren, potentially reduce her own taxes each year, and create an insurance plan for catastrophic illness should Jane have an emergency such as a terminal illness, permanent confinement to a nursing home, long-term care facility, extended home care, an adult daycare, or other qualified care facility. In the unfortunate event of one of these situations, Jane can maintain a certain amount of life insurance to be paid as an income tax-free death benefit and only accelerate as a living benefit a percentage of the remaining death benefit. This means Jane's heirs will receive a death benefit regardless of health situations she may encounter. There are three major living benefits available under the policy rider. The accelerated death benefit rider is not available in all states. The specified percentages and administrative charges may vary from state to state. In a second example, we'll once again take Jane, our 65-year-old non-tobacco user, and we'll look at the $50,000 she has in a CD. Let's assume that her $50,000 is all that she wants to pass to her grandchildren in her passing. Jane could transfer $25,300 from her CD to pay the premium on a $50,000 income tax-free death benefit. She could then utilize the remaining $24,700 in her CD for other expenses she may have. Again, you can see the benefits of the Secure Solutions single premium whole life insurance go well above and beyond the immediate increase to your estate and the tax-free death benefit you could create for your heirs. Now that we've had a chance to look at a couple of examples, let's see just how easy the transfer process can be. Baltimore Life makes the transfer process very easy and simple to understand for everyone involved. While the Secure Solutions whole life insurance product is suitable in most situations, you may want to ask yourself a few questions before you get started. Do you have liquid assets that will not be used for daily living expenses or for other purposes while you are alive? Does the idea of reducing your taxable income while immediately increasing your estate interest you? Would you like to avoid probate costs and possible delays for your heirs when settling your estate? Would you like to have access to your cash in case of an emergency or a catastrophic illness? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you should consider the Secure Solutions single premium whole life insurance product from Baltimore Life Insurance Company. Let's take a look at who is eligible. Eligible individuals are between the ages of 50 and 85. These are people who want to maximize the size of their estate and have accumulated assets specifically to leave to their children, grandchildren, a worthy cause, or a favorite charity. It's possible that you currently own CDs, annuities, money market instruments, or other treasury securities that could be reallocated to a life insurance policy. If you're eligible, the Secure Solutions single premium whole life insurance product may be your best option. Ultimately, your health will determine the amount of benefit available to you and your heirs. Qualification is based upon a short application and the answering of a few simple health questions. The simplified application is then followed up with a phone interview conducted by an underwriter. We won't even ask you to take a medical examination unless we really need to. Let's see if we can get you health qualified.